In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply Healthy Start card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly apply for a Healthy Start card. You have two main ways of doing this. One of them can be done online, and the other one is by email or phone. So to start, regardless of which method you choose, I highly recommend visiting the Healthy Start website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to healthystart.nhs.uk. When you arrive on this website, you will be able to click on how to apply. In here, you will be able to find the two methods that I mentioned, so applying online, and then if you scroll down, applying by email or phone. So first, applying online. You will see that they have some sections. If you get universal credit, if you get child tax credit, and then some information regarding it. So they will list you can apply online if you are more than 10 weeks pregnant or have at least one child under 4. Your family's monthly take-home pay is 408 or less from employment, and so on. So make sure to read through all of these details. They might be limiting factors on whether or not you qualify. I cannot go over all of them in this video, so to keep it simple, just scroll down, read through all of them, and if you believe that you are qualified, just go ahead and click Apply Now. Once you click Apply Now, you will be able to see all of the information listed, and then Start Now. Once again, take your time to carefully read through all of this. Now, you will be able to answer all of these questions. Apply for Healthy Start, continue, and then before you start, they are once again going to list what they will ask about you. So personal details, pregnancy due date, children's details, and so on. Click yes or no according to these questions and make sure to answer these properly because everything will be verified later. Now, I'm going to stop this process midway because I also want to talk about the other method to apply, which is by email or phone. As you can see, once again, they will have some factors that you have to consider, and you will be able to apply by email them on this address or calling this number 0300-330-7010. Make sure that you call them once the phone lines are open, and you will be able to get this done. And finally, they will have one limiting factor here. If you are not a British citizen, but your child is, you may be eligible depending on the immigration status. I hope I was able to help you on how to apply Healthy Start card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.